just arrived here at those temples on top of the mountain where you need to hike up a bit. It's raining. How lucky can one get? I'm not sure if we're going to be able to go up, but the weather is not really playing along. Luckily, Eben got some nice drone footage yesterday, but it's been raining since this morning. How's the road up? We don't know. Is it going to be slippery and wet and muddy? Really not in the mood for that today. So let's find out, keeping fingers crossed. And it's so difficult because everything is written in Thai. You do not understand what anything is saying. We keep on taking the wrong roads because nothing is written in English. Eben took his phone again with Google Translate to try and communicate with the people. It's a bit of a challenge, but hey, it makes the adventure more exciting. Okay, let's find out.
Right, Sarah.
And
That's for 3 kaartjies.
3 tickets.
3 tickets. We're gonna get onto a taxi. They take us up.
Oh, we do not have to hike up.
Well, I don't know. But we can't drive up. The taxi goes, I don't know how far, and then we drive the rest of the... I still don't know. I think it's Wat Temple. Going up the mountain. All the way up the mountain, apparently. It takes on speed to make it up the hill. Just look how beautiful these mountains are. Serious aggressive riding to get up these hills, and it's catching speed now for the uphill. It's quite a uphill. Another serious uphill. You can feel that. You can feel the angle. It is freaky. Bella's freaking out. It looks like a 45 degrees incline. I know it isn't, but it looks like it and it feels like it. There. This bucky was spinning. And when the tires caught again, we almost wheelied. Some serious stressed up girl this. Are you stressed up? Why? I must tell you one thing, this must be our best adventure so far in Thailand, going up this hill.
The bus gonna have no pedal and it go down, then we are falling up the mountain.
Yes. Oh, look at the stand! Yeah! Oh no! Okay, the worst is yet to come. And this thing is losing its momentum. Speed. Fast. We've made it. We've made it. Woo. That was a serious drive and actually quite freaky. But you're here. And now it's not even halfway up, is it? Is down going to be scary? So after this strenuous up drive, everybody needs the loo. And I can understand why. Because that was actually quite scary. So the taxi took us halfway. Now it's all the way up by feet. I'll say it's probably another 100 meters or so to climb. If you look at the mountain, you're gonna go all the way up there. So it's still quite a stretch to go with 2 kids and flip-flops. We for once put on some serious hiking equipment. You need a 4x4 for coming up here. And this is a shop with a view. Now we've come to the end of the road and we're gonna take the steps up to the top, and I can only assume that it's a lot of steps. Unfortunately, nothing is in English except for saying that we must be concerned. Still going uphill, and this is a steep one, so it says please be careful, or maybe just be careful. Careful. The view from halfway up. And this is to the western side, towards Chiang Mai. People coming up. And then we have to go up, 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 up. And there's the top. This is probably like base camp in terms of mountain climbing. Nice big bell. And a view to die for. And we told you to be careful. A big one. It's hard, eh?
Hard.
Hard. Go.
It's gonna be hard.
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 Just listen to this thing.
Can I go again? Can I try, Mickey?
Ja, dat is genoeg, Maggie.
Yeah. Can I?
Okay, you go, Kayla.
Hey, it makes me.
You have to hit hard to get it loud. And that's a bass drum. Go.
What is bass?
The noise you hear.
Man, it sounds like scary music.
Okay.
Whoa. It sounds scary, hey? It's not very scary.
Oops, amper val jy, Maggie.
We're sitting together.
Well done. It's heavy now. The view from up here. Okay, now what's going to be scary is when I try you and then down off this cliff.
Whoa. Can I put it? I can put it on.
หันมาทางนี้กูถึงฝั่งโน้นเออ
หนูจะหามุมให้เธอ
Counting is steps or stairs because the Fitbit say she has only done about 30 steps or stairs up to here. We don't agree, so they're counting it. And that was it for our mountain temple. Very beautiful, very scenic, nice cool breeze coming through, very enjoyable. And it's not too bad. It probably takes like 15-20 minutes to walk up here. There's stairs and railings all along the way, which helps a lot, especially when it's rainy and wet like it is now. But now it's raining again, and it's raining reasonably hard, and I have to go down here. Slip and slide if it's wet. Luckily no flip-flops today, tackies. You can see the rain now. Oh, it's so beautiful, so beautiful. He's waiting for me. I've caught up with the kids and the family, and I caught in the rain. And look at all the people still coming up. It's raining hard now. That backpack is soaking wet. There's nothing in there that can damage. So now, oh sorry, am I going too fast?
Yeah.
Sorry Megan, sun is shining and it's raining.
But I need to see the rainbow.
Up. Kop tung up.
หนาวไหมลูก
It's raining hard with the sun shining. Huh? Can you believe it? And now is the perfect time to see a waterfall, Megan.
Yeah, and I cannot wait with the rainbow to see the rainbow.
I mean a rainbow, not a waterfall. Getting a seat. Ja, so dus maar weg van mama, dat is al klaar op pad af.
Als je niet probeert ons maar en dan zeg je het maar.
Ah.